Good morning, patrons, subscribers. We're going to look at the Aussie yen. It's because of the bubble deviation. So we've got a strong Aussie, a weak yen. However, I just need to bring to your attention is that we've got some resistance here. In so much as that we've created a shift channel top, 1991. Okay, so we can definitely draw a line. I can show you what I mean. Trend line, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So that angle here, it knows that's going to be a resistance using that angle. Okay, so look at the reaction. All right, so that's the shift channel top logic. Okay, so that's going to be a decent resistance because we're using angles of the known trend line. Okay, so this is a hypothetical resistance, this is a known support. So hopefully that's quite clear. All right, so I think for looking for an entry, uh according to the hourly, we're probably going to have to look at 90.41 for a bounce. Alternatively, look for longs above 90.91. All right, so that's the pitchfork analysis. Wait for that to break, or wait for that to come down to test. In a few hours, it will be higher. You can see how this is an ascending 61.8 fib. Okay, so it might come down here, and that's going to be at 90.54 for a bounce. Alternatively, we might come down to the median line. So look for a long above 1991, or look for a retracement to support on the median line. And yes, it's fairly tricky. So probably look for a retracement, I think. And don't forget, we've already moved quite a lot as well. You know, that's the logic there. We've got 1 minute chart. Let's not do the 1 minute chart. And these are the MAs. So we're quite strong on the MAs. See, we're having a crossover. So I think we're probably possibly going to come down 90.40 area for a bounce. And this is just going to be a healthy retracement for the next leg. So don't enter now. Wait for a retracement. And are going to get a crossover of the MAs. These are Andy's spooky MAs, okay? And it's basically fast MAs and very slow, two slow MAs. This one here is a slow one, and this one's really slow. Okay, so look for a retracement at 90.45 area, which kind of matches to the median, not the median line, the 61.8. So this is where you want to be looking to buy around here, according to the MAs and according to the fib. Okay, and Aussie yen, SLC above 91, right, dead on. One below is larger at 90.69. So I think we're probably going to come to get that, and then 1940 around about here. It's going to be looking for a long. I guess we can do a circle, I suppose, can't we? Oh, that's weird. I've done a circle before. Oh, that's weird. I've never done that before. So round about here, I guess, and put that green so we know it's a buy. Round about there, 1945 to 1955, and then you're looking for a bounce there, right? So technically, we could do with a retracement on the MA and on the fib, and the SLC is lower of the two. And this is going to be a good entry. Where your stop could be might be a bit tricky. If you were to enter here, you could have a stop here, but then you'd have to have a wide stop. So let's have a look. We can maybe draw like some kind of fib on it. So let's say we enter at the bottom here, and you stop. Well, if you have your stop there, it's going to be quite wide. It's quite wide. It's a 30 pip stop, and then you're looking for. See, the logic there is that you're just going to have it at that candle wick, and ATR target long is a 3R. So that's going to be something that we can look at. We can look for a retracement to entry at 90.44, stop at 90.15, and then you're going to target the ATR target long for a 3R trade, which is fine. So you're just looking for a retracement down to the ellipse area, MA, pitchfork, support for a bounce to 3R, which is your ATR target long. Don't look to long above the ATR target long because we would have exceeded those parameters. Likewise, don't look to short below the ATR target short. Okay, so that's what we'll do, and I will post this up into Discord now. and we'll see how we go.